Magandang hapon. I am going to drive my brother's girlfriend to the airport in about an hour, and while waiting we can learn some Tagalog words. Let's learn how to say vehicle, car, driver, and passenger. Car is kotse. Kotse. Meron akong kotse. Meron akong kotse. Or, I have a car. And to say vehicle, it's sasakyan. Sasakyan. And driver is driver. 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 Ako ang driver. Ako ang driver. We can say, ako ang driver. Ako ang driver. Since I'm going to drive, she's gonna be the passenger or pasahero. 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 Siya ang pasahero. Siya ang pasahero or she is the passenger. Review our Tagalog words. We have driver or driver. We also use the English word driver, and passenger or pasahero, and we have kotse or car, and vehicle or sasakyan.